SmileFy AI is organized into 4 primary sections. The first is the AI Smile Design module, where you select a preset to generate an aesthetically guided smile proposal. Multiple design pathways are available, including natural color smile designs, full arch restorative simulations, crown lengthening scenarios, and additional clinical options. Each preset is structured to address a wide range of diagnostic and restorative situations, producing facially driven smile designs that follow established aesthetic principles to achieve balanced and harmonious results. In the second section, SmileFy AVA, you can generate a facial video animation based on the approved smile design. Multiple presentation modes are available, including male and female patient profiles, speaking or smiling only, and other customizable behaviors. This feature provides a powerful communication tool, allowing patients to visualize their own face with the proposed new smile in motion, thereby enhancing understanding, engagement, and treatment acceptance. The third section focuses on AI-based picture quality enhancement. This module allows you to improve clinical photographs by removing backgrounds, sharpening image details, and correcting white balance. These adjustments help standardize image quality, optimize documentation, and ensure that diagnostic and aesthetic evaluations are performed using clear and consistent visuals. One of the common challenges in smile design is the patient's head position and expression at the time the photograph is taken. Optimal smile design requires a perfectly frontal facial orientation and a full, relaxed smile with an open mouth, conditions that are often difficult to capture, especially when patients feel self-conscious about the appearance of their teeth. The virtual patient option addresses this limitation by allowing precise correction of head alignment and controlled enhancement of the smile expression. This feature can be used either clinically or as a motivational tool, depending on the degree of adjustment required, and helps ensure that the design workflow is based on accurate and aesthetically appropriate facial references.